What's up, guys? Welcome back into the YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So, little bit of a change of pace on the videos. We're not going to be working on anything of mine, but actually one of my dad's friend's trucks. We're actually going to be doing a spray in bedliner, but it is too cool not to share. If you guys know, I'm a big diesel guy, anything GM related. That's actually what we're going to be talking about today. So without further ado, I'm gonna just go ahead and dive on in and show you guys this thing. All right, guys, so I apologize for the wind noise, but here it is. It's a 96 2500. Obviously, you guys can see how, just how qualified this truck is. Like I said, we are doing a spray and bed liner. So everything that's got blue is gonna be coming off. So the PAP rails, the plastic tailgate protectant, spray and bed liner. But this thing is excellent condition. Up underneath the flares, no rust, factory exhaust. I don't think this thing has been a workhorse or abused or anything in its life. Wait till you hear the door open. It's just so smooth. And the interior basically speaks for itself. This is one of the cleanest trucks, like I said, I have seen, and we'll get to the miles and everything, but the dash is fantastic. It's still got the original bushings and pins in there, so you know this thing hasn't been abused. Like I said, back seat looks great, no rips or stains or anything. We'll go around to the driver's side. Listen how just flawless that door shuts. It is the true 3/4 ton. The steering on this thing and just the front end, it's so smooth. It steers and handles fantastic. But here's the driver's side. And again, I apologize for the wind noise. The rockers and everything look so clean. No door sag, no nothing. But wait till you see how many miles are on this thing. 156,000 miles. And it definitely shows, because this is, like I said, probably one of the cleanest non-abused 6.5 trucks I've ever seen. Bad thing about these is it doesn't have the third door, so you have to grab the seat, slide it forward and all that. Only downside is it doesn't have the power seat. It's just the lumbar. No big deal though. And yeah, we get the pleasure of working on it. So again, let's go ahead and jump to the engine compartment and I'll show you everything underneath. So here we are, guys. Obviously, like I said, the 6.5. The only thing that I can tell that's been done is the S&B cold air intake. Obviously, turbos, all factory. But I'm hoping I can talk the guy into doing an exhaust on this thing and letting this baby breathe a little bit more. But like I said, guys, it's pretty much a bone stock truck other than the cold air intake. And it sounds pretty good. For being an older diesel, a lot of guys hate on these 6.5s and stuff. I love them. The 6.2s, obviously I have one in the shed right there. But I'll go ahead and close the hood, fire this thing up, give you inside the cab and stuff, and a little exhaust. Alrighty, guys, so I apologize we didn't get much footage of us getting the truck bed prepped, but as you can tell, and I'm sure it's all over my face, it's ready to go. We just use the nylon wheels that you can buy at Harbor Freight, and instead of a wire wheel, it's just little nylon ends. It works really well. You end up with this kind of finish, and all you're doing is basically knocking the shine off, just like when you're painting. you just want it to be able to stick. So I'm gonna come back, we're gonna actually pressure wash it tonight. We probably won't bedline it till Monday because we obviously have Mother's Day and all that stuff going on and my fiance's birthday. So we'll probably shoot this Monday, so you guys probably won't see it till after Mother's Day. But we're gonna wash it all out, take some scuff pads, Scotch-Brite, like the red pads, and any areas that we missed, we'll hit them, run our tape lines, and have everything ready to go. So Dad's getting ready to back a car out that I just got done detailing. I'm gonna pull this over and pressure wash it real quick, and then park it back over there. So I guess you guys will see this whenever we're getting ready to spray. What's up guys, welcome back into the channel. So obviously the beginning of this video was last Thursday, Friday, somewhere in there. We are back on this Mint 6.5. We're actually working on a truck bed liner. So we got all of it scuffed, as you can see from the inside here. Dad and I worked on this, and then I just finished it up with a red Scotch-Brite, basically knocking all the shine off of everything. My fiance Shaylin blew the truck out for me. And then I just got done wiping it down with some surface cleaner. We're gonna let it dry. And the bed liner we're using is the Raptor liner. My dad bought a 8-bottle kit, so we should have plenty for this long bed. And then we're also gonna be shooting the tailgate. But I figured let's go ahead and get after it and get this thing shot so it can be drying. Well guys, as you can see from that little time lapse there of Shaylin filming, we got it sprayed. And like I said, this is the Raptor kit. We got an 8-bottle kit. I think we will use 6 of them, 5 of them I think. And we did the entire bed. This is 2 coats. It's a little bit thicker. They say the 4-bottle kit will do a long bed, but you're probably gonna stretch it. I just wanted to make sure. Like I said, it might be 6 bottles. I don't remember exactly what we used, but it laid down great. The first couple bottles I hit and try and focus on all my hard to reach areas up underneath the bed rail, all the tight little corners and everything like that. So I know I get the good coverage. And then I just basically work my way back and then shoot the tailgate. So super simple. Like I said, you just scuff it really well. You don't have to do all the grinding and stuff like I did. If you just get some red Scotch-Brite pads, you can scuff this entire bed. You might have 4 to 5 hours in it. The tape rolls that I use, you can get those off Amazon. It's just plastic that's got a bead of tape across it, undo it. Take a razor blade and cut it, and you basically can just pull it tight. And there's different lengths that you can get. So we covered the entire cab, down both bedside. Just make sure when you're spraying it, you don't get a lot of your overspray. We covered up this nice bumper on the truck, and then we did the tailgate, flipped it over, and then masked it all up so we didn't have any blow through or anything. But here it is guys, like I said, super simple. I'm gonna try and get a few more videos of this truck before it leaves, but here's the finished product guys. Super simple, you can do it at home, and remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys next one.